Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on self timer, and as you can see in this device we've got 3 options, so off, 2 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option like to use. As you can see, the icon will change slightly, showing you which countdown you've got applied. What is more, you can always check it right here in the right lower corner. So now simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 2 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. You cannot tap on it to turn it off, so you have to do it kind of manually. Just enter the settings again, tap on the self timer and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.